What would happen, though, if the mannequins moved? At United Aero's largest apparel store in Tokyo, we built a completely original show window experience that was irresistible to the passerby. The world's first interactive mannequin mimics the movement of people facing it. Kinect technology detects humans standing in front of the window. 16 wires and a specially developed motor enable the mannequin to copy the exact movements of any person in its sights, just like a marionette. People lined up to enjoy the experience and challenge the marionette with various poses. The MarionetteBot revitalized the show window, opening up completely new possibilities for retail marketing.